In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to download Windows K2 on your computer and test all the new features like the movable taskbar from top to side and the default bottom, and the features like low latency profile, and finally the small taskbar. So if you wanna test all the latest new features to your computer, you're definitely gonna download the Windows K2 version to test it. This video is only for tutorial purpose, and I don't recommend to install this Windows K2 version on your main computer because features may break your computer, some features may not work properly, and many features may not come out for public release. And most importantly, this build is very much unstable. So still, if you want to download Windows K2, let's get started. Let me clarify, Windows K2 is not a different version like Windows 11, Windows 10 or Windows 12. Windows K2 is a promise from Microsoft to the Windows 11 users that they'll make Windows 11 more stable, more accurate, more usable, and less AI-intrusive OS. So let's start how to download it. First of all, just open a browser and then just search for Windows Insider download. Open this link, download Windows Insider PBISO files. And here in this page, click on Me icon and just log in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, just create one by clicking here. After logging in with your credentials, just scroll, and here you see, click on the drop down, and here you just select this version, that is experimental build number 26300.8497, and that is the latest. If you really want to taste all the Windows K2 features, then you're definitely gonna download this one, experimental build 26300 series, because this version receives all the new features first. Just select it, click on confirm, and then choose your language, then click on confirm. Here you got the download link. Just click in here and download will be started. And after download is completed, you can create a bootable USB pen drive and install on your computer, and that's it. Pretty easy. If you love this content, please hit a like and subscribe to Sudama Lab. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.